can't hardly see anybody. Basically past our parking lot, you can't hardly see anyone.
You can't even open the door.
Yeah. Worst
They
thing.
locked my door about 6 times now.
The trash can is
Big signs down outside.
The whole front of the office keeps sliding back and forth, rolling around. Crazy. So,
Bank sign laying out in the middle of the
well,
parking
keep an
lot.
eye on the news and let us know what's going on. Cause
Holy fuck!
okay, just keep us up to date.
Dude, I have no fucking
Cars.
Oh, there it goes.
I'm kind of scared to get up there, man.
What is that?
I don't know.
That's gonna do some damage. Somebody's running up there.
Good third? What? Oh, that other thing?
Holy crap.
Who the fuck is driving in this?
There's another sign or something.
Check this out.
What?